6:20 on Thursday morning, and we're getting a break from some of the wet weather. Not entirely, but things are looking a lot better this morning. Skies are cleared off quite a bit over much northern southeast Utah. Most clouds stretching from southwest into the northeast corner of the state, with the most widespread precipitation, obviously, in the east, mainly along and over the higher terrain, but some rain and snow showers in the valleys. Salt Lake Valley, though, things have let up quite a bit, even though some snow is still coming down Parley's Canyon, but on the east benches, it's let up significantly, even just within the last half hour. So maybe a few flurries, but things looking a lot better. While in Davis County, that's where we have most of the snow coming down along the Wasatch Front, Farmington up through the Layton area, with most of the snow showers off to the west of I-15, but some of that changing over to a little bit of rain, so some of you might have to use the windshield wipers this morning, but it's not very widespread at all. The bigger story will be the cold today. 32 degrees, so starting out freezing in Salt Lake City, 31 in Logan, starting out 29 in Milford. Fairly mild, though, in Green River and Moab, where it's 49, and right at 50 in St. George. The reason for that difference in temperature is we still have a cold front sliding south across the state. So north of that, readings are a lot lower than they were yesterday. It's all associated with the trough of low pressure that's still dominating the weather pattern in the west. We've had disturbances rotating around that, bringing some of the snow showers. And today our storm is pulling away, so while we have enough moisture left over for some snow, most of what we get would be very light, mainly some flurries. Today in Salt Lake, it looks like our temperature is only going to climb to 44. So you need a good jacket this morning. You might want to keep it handy this afternoon. That's got us almost 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. We'll have a chance of more snow showers. They'll be most likely in the north, in the far north along the Idaho border, over the mountains, where we might have an inch of snow. Higher valleys not expecting any accumulation other than dusting on grassy surfaces. Most northern valleys, 30% chance of light snow, which would mainly just end up being some flurries. Over central and southern Utah, after some clouds around this morning, it'll become mostly sunny, and in St. George, you'll climb up to 64. However, behind that cold front, it could get a little breezy near the canyons of Washington County, also across parts of Santa Fe Swell and Castle Country. Otherwise, it will be a beautiful day. It'll look good tomorrow, feel better with the temperature climbing, and then by the weekend, it'll be partly cloudy in the low to mid 70s in St. George, with the chance of more wet weather by the early part of next week. And for northern Utah, it's going to be sunny, low 50s tomorrow, low 60s over the weekend, partly cloudy on Saturday, and then by Sunday, we'll get another chance of some valley rain and mountain snow.